Hyderabad-based Apollo Microsystems has successfully completed blast trials of its indigenously developed Limpet mine for the Indian Navy. India will appoint a defense attaché in Mauritius to strengthen defense cooperation and enhance strategic engagement in the Indian Ocean region. BonV Aero has held the groundbreaking ceremony for its new 300 crore rupees drone manufacturing facility in Odisha. Hindustan Aeronautics has unveiled its RUAV 200 UAV, which is nearing limited series production for Indian Army and Indian Navy. Bangalore-based Zovian Aerospace is developing AI-powered radio frequency satellites that can track dark ships by detecting electromagnetic emissions, even when the automatic identification system is switched off. The Indian Air Force has released a request for information for the procurement of advanced 4D long-range surveillance radars with a detection range of up to 450 kilometers. India's ongoing military reform proposes 3 theatre commands: Western Theatre Command led by an Indian Air Force officer, Northern Theatre Command led by an Indian Army officer, and Maritime Theatre Command led by the Navy. The plan also includes creating a Vice Chief of Defence Staff to support coordination among the Chief of Defence Staff Service Chiefs and Theatre Commanders. Bharat Electronics Limited new 600 crore rupees facility in the UP Defence Industrial Corridor at Chitrakoot will support key programs including QRSAM, Kusha air defence system, and next-generation radars, strengthening India's layered air defence network. The Indian Army showcased the combat capabilities of its Boeing Apache attack helicopters during exercise Brahmastra. The Apaches carried out precision strikes using AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, rockets, and onboard guns, successfully engaging targets in a simulated battlefield. Following approval for 5 additional S-400 squadrons, 1 squadron will be dedicated to protecting the national capital region, deployed in surrounding areas of New Delhi for layered air defense while remaining mobile. The broader deployment will cover both western and northern fronts, with 4 squadrons positioned against Pakistan, and 5 deployed in high-altitude sectors including Ladakh Sikkim-Siliguri corridor and Arunachal Pradesh to counter China. India will issue the request for proposal to Dassault Aviation in May 2026 for the 3.25 lakh crore rupees 114 Rafale deal. The government will include an interface control document into the final contract to ensure integration of indigenous missiles and weapons under the buy and make framework. The interface control document defines protocols between the aircraft and its subsystems, enabling compatibility without access to core software. The United States has indicated that a potential pathway remains open for India to acquire the F-35 fifth-generation stealth fighter. The signal came during a high-level meeting at the Pentagon yesterday, where U.S. Under-Secretary of Defense for Acquisition and Sustainment Mike Duffy held discussions with India's Foreign Secretary. Mike Duffy has said that the option for India to buy F-35 stealth fighter is still on the table. Today's top 3 comments.